Samsung Pass and Bitwarden are both popular password managers but differ fundamentally. Samsung Pass is built into Samsung devices for smooth biometric login and autofill, whereas Bitwarden is a standalone cross-platform solution focusing on security and accessibility across all devices. Samsung Pass is a biometric password manager integrated into Samsung smartphones and tablets. It uses fingerprint or facial recognition to securely store and autofill passwords, payment details, and personal information. This integration offers a fast and convenient way to access apps and websites without typing passwords manually. Samsung Pass encrypts data locally and syncs it across Samsung devices via your Samsung account, ensuring convenience within the Samsung ecosystem. Its strengths lie in seamless device compatibility, ease of use, and biometric security. However, its limitations include being exclusive to Samsung devices and limited support for non-Samsung platforms, which restricts flexibility for users with mixed devices. Ideal users are Samsung owners who want a built-in, hassle-free password manager that leverages their device's biometric features for quick and secure access. Bitwarden is a standalone open-source password manager designed for broad compatibility across Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, iOS, and web browsers. It securely stores passwords, notes, and credit card information in an encrypted vault accessible anywhere. Bitwarden uses end-to-end encryption, meaning only the user can decrypt their data. It supports password generation, sharing, and multi-factor authentication for enhanced security. Its open-source nature allows for transparency and community audits, a major strength for security-conscious users. Bitwarden's limitations include a slightly steeper learning curve compared to built-in managers and reliance on internet access for syncing across devices. It is ideal for users needing a versatile, secure solution that works across multiple platforms and devices, including non-Samsung hardware, with a strong focus on privacy and control. Samsung Pass excels for users fully invested in the Samsung ecosystem, providing effortless biometric logins and autofill without additional apps. It's perfect for quick access on Samsung devices, but lacks cross-platform support. Bitwarden, on the other hand, offers flexibility across all major operating systems and browsers, making it suitable for users with diverse devices. Its open-source transparency and advanced security features appeal to those prioritizing privacy and control. However, it requires manual setup and learning. For example, a Samsung-only user benefits from Samsung Pass's integration, while someone using multiple brands or platforms will find Bitwarden's universal compatibility invaluable. The trade-off is convenience versus flexibility and control. Choose Samsung Pass if you want a seamless biometric-driven password manager tightly integrated with Samsung devices for effortless everyday security. Opt for Bitwarden if you need a versatile, secure password manager that works across all devices and platforms with transparency and advanced features. Both tools are strong, but your choice depends on whether you prioritize convenience within Samsung or broad compatibility and control.